So hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Friends, in this video, I'm gonna tell you how to practice English. And first of all, I want to tell you that I'm also an English learner. So please forgive me if I make any mistake because I don't think about grammar when I speak English. Okay, and you have to stop it because you are practicing English, and whilst when you start speaking English, you are worried about grammar. You think a lot about vocabs, so you don't need to think about that. You just need to speak out everything whatever comes in your mind, and you need to be very clear about everything what you are speaking. Okay, so in this video I'm gonna show you how I practice English and how I'm improving my English. So my dear friends, I will not apply any cut in this video, but you need to remember one thing. I'm making dual video, and this video is on this video is only continue for 2 minutes. After that it automatically stops, and I need to restart again. Okay, so there maybe you can see some cuts, so please forgive me for my mistakes. And let me tell you guys, if you are struggling with your fluency, so let me tell you, before I started speaking English, I was just learning as you are learning. Like, uh, for 1 year, I just did stupid things like reading, writing, mugging up sentences, and learning sentences by writing and reading. So that was the worst way, guys. That was the worst way, which didn't work for me because I was unable to speak even one simple sentence in English before I started speaking. Okay, so I started speaking broken sentences, and after some time, after few months, I started speaking confidently in front of anyone. Okay, guys, so you just need to start first. You just need to start speaking. Stop reading and writing. Like, I'm not saying in that means reading and writing is also important, but if you wanna learn English speaking, so you will have to speak. Yeah, you will have to speak. Nothing will happen if you write, read, and do other things. You will have to speak if you want to learn English speaking. Okay, so this is the first thing. And second, how you can become natural in English. You can become natural in English when you practice English naturally. Okay, not thinking about grammar rules, not thinking about sentences. Okay, you just need to narrate everything, every single thing, whatever you see around you. Like, I can see lot of things around me. Like, I can see a mango tree. This tree is beautiful, this tree is green, and there are two trees, not a single tree. Okay, and before that tree I can see a water tank. This is not a well, this is the water tank. You can see there are a lot of pipes through which this water tank is filled. Okay, and you can see the boundary which is colored with red and white color, and there is the boundary on my left side. This is the boundary colored with red and white, and it is made with cement, concrete, and bricks and iron pipes. Okay, so you can see, and there are some small trees, small plants, you can see, and there are small trees nearby this boundary, and I can see lot of green grass. Okay, green grass in this park, and that's why this park is looking beautiful, and I feel good here. When I roam here, I feel mentally peaceful because there is no one, you can see, there is no one, and that's why I start making video. Okay, here, because this is the peaceful area. Okay, guys, you can see there are lot of houses. You can see this is a colony named Vinayak Premium Colony, which is situated in Ujjain. But my dear friends, you need to practice a lot if you want to become fluent in English. Because guys, in 2025 you took a resolution to become fluent in English, but I think if you are if you are still struggling with fluency and your English, so you must need to practice English. You must need to practice naturally. You must need to do self talk in that means you need to talk yourself, you need to speak with you. Okay, when you wake up early in the morning, so you need to uh, narrate everything what you do in your entire day. Like I have woken up and I need to go to the washroom. After coming out from the washroom, I need to wash my hands and brush my teeth and wash my face with soap. And after that, I need to clean my face with towel. And after that, I need to take coffee, tea, whatever you do every day. Okay, whatever you do in your entire day, you just need to narrate. And doesn't matter if you are in office, if you are in school, if you are in anywhere, if you are anywhere, you need to just speak and speak. And only this is the way you can become fluent in English. You can sound more natural in English. Okay guys, and all the people are speaking English. They just applied one simple rule: speaking. Okay guys, so that's all for this video. If you liked this video, please do like, share and subscribe the channel. And my dear friends, take care of you and see you in the next video.